Here comes a letter. Part 2. Journey of a letter. Good morning, children. Today let's learn about the journey of a letter, how a letter is posted and how it is received on another end. First of all, let us remember communication means giving messages and information from one person to another. And postal letters is also a means of communication. This was used widely many years ago. Now let's listen to what a letter speaks to us. A letter is telling us its story. I am a letter written with a pen and paper by Reena to her friend Ahmed. Here is Reena writing a letter. Reena lives in Agartala and Ahmed lives in Delhi. So the letter is written in Agartala and it has to reach Delhi. Let us now locate where Agartala and where is Delhi. In this map you can see the red dot where it is written Agartala. It is in the state of Tripura. You can also locate Delhi on the map. And it is a long distance between the two places. It is almost 2,424 kilometers roadways. The story of the letter continues. I was put in a letter box. So after writing the letter, Reena posted it in a letter box. It is also known as a post box. The postman took me out and put me in a big bag. Taking a ride in the postman's bicycle, I reached the post office. This is the post office, Agartala post office. I was taken out of the bag and stamped hard. The stamp was of Agartala. My journey began from there. After getting stamped, I reached another big bag. This bag had many more letters, all heading for Delhi. The red mail van dropped me at the railway station. There, I got into a train going to Delhi. After a long journey of 5 to 6 days, I reached Delhi. I was sorted as per the area mentioned in the address written on me. One more stamp was put on me. Finally, the postman dropped me in Ahmed's house. That has been the journey of a letter. Here are some pictures related to the journey of a letter. Each picture is a part of the journey that a letter undertakes. Let us now look at the pictures carefully and arrange them in order so that we can create a continuous process by which a letter reaches its destination. At first here, Reena is writing a letter. And the second one shows she is posting the letter. The third picture shows the letter that Reena had posted in the post box is being collected by the postman. Then it's taken to the post office and it is stamped. The fourth picture shows stamping of a letter in the post office. And the fifth picture shows the letters are put in the bag. Sixth one shows now the letter is being sorted in the post office. The seventh picture shows the postman delivers the letter in Ahmed's house. And the eighth picture shows Ahmed reading the letter written by BEENA. So let us now look at some of the pictures that are related to the journey of a letter. Let us try to identify these pictures. The first one is a post box. The second one is the picture of a postman. He delivers the letters to the people. Third one is known as a mail van or a postal van. It is red in color. The fourth picture is known as a postcard. A postcard is a stationery or writing material that we get from post office. The next one is a stamp. It is a piece of paper issued by the post office, and this postage stamp has to be fixed on a letter so that the letter can be mailed to different places. This is also a stationery we get from the post office. Next is an inland letter. An inland letter is also a stationery we can get from post office. And the last picture is of an aerogram. These are stamps of various prices, and there are many stamps available in India. Now let's discover some facts. Which is the fastest means of communication? We have learned about many means of communication. So which is the fastest means of communication? Telephone and mobile phone are the fastest means of communication. What helps a letter to reach its destination? What helps a letter to reach its destination? The address written on the letter helps the letter to reach the addressee or the destination. You can observe here, this is the address written on the postcard. This is written by Reena to Ahmed. So Ahmed's address is written on top so that the letter reaches him safely. What is known as philately? Philately is the collection and study of postage stamps. There are many people who are interested in stamp collection, and a person who collects stamps or studies stamps is known as a philatelist. You can have a hobby of collecting stamps and studying them. What does PIN stands for? PIN stands for Postal Index Number. It is a 6-digit code used by India Post. We call it as a PIN number. 670017 is the PIN code of our area. Thank you.